so it's best that I left it alone. Never guessed she says get on the low. Always crept up with men in the bed that we own now. I know we ain't playing with cards, but this ace in my palms always taking a charge. She was seen as a queen, right straight from the start. So when I'm up in the club, I'll be breaking her heart. She's claiming we were made to be and blame fate for the way that I made her cheat. I won't play the games you play with me. Don't come back to the black, cause I changed the keys. Moving on now, you are gone. Getting back to my tracks and I'm doing some. Now my dick's back, I wanna get a groupie on. A fool forever thinking that you the one that I changed. I changed, I changed, I changed, I changed. Now I'm living my life, and if I saw you in the street I wouldn't kiss you goodbye. Cause I changed, I changed, I changed, I changed, I changed. Now I'm living my life, and if I saw you in the street I wouldn't kiss you goodbye. Like, I wanna say fuck my job, because it's minimum wage and they push me hard and have me giving up days when I punch the card. And I be driven insane till I'm put in charge. Everybody shouts at me, but they don't know I've got 2 mouths to feed. I do work, school and rap on beats, and you still probably download the album free. Look, that ain't the support I need. I need industry heads that'll talk to me. I need a group of friends who can form a team. There's more of me that's here to support the scene. This ain't your typical track, people playing this shit don't even listen to rap. I wanna live in a mansion, a million fans, and I'll be bringing it up with every minute I can. That I changed, I changed, I changed, I changed, I changed. Ain't a typical guy, better believe I'm out living my life. And I changed, I changed, I changed, I changed, I changed. Ain't a typical guy, you better believe I'm out living my life. Cause I changed where I'm at, cause I've been stabbed bad by some of my best friends in the past, and they left me for scraps. Till I spent a minute and now I'm blessed with a craft. Nobody was proud of me, they used to say rap was crap and doubted me. Now I pass them in the street and they shower me, and the girls used to diss me, I'm out their league. Funny how it flips around, they wanna be your friend when the single's out. I find it a little hard saying single now when I slid with some of the fittest chicks in town. Think I'm becoming a prick, suck on my dick, you never know how tough it is. If you wanna talk shit, just button your lip, and I feel bad if you're only now discovering it. That I changed, cause I changed, cause I changed, cause I changed, I changed. Ain't a typical guy, better believe I'm out living my life. And I